Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to NCERT कक्षा. NCERT कक्षा में आप लोगों का स्वागत है. We are going to cover the next chapter in class 6 geography NCERT. Chapter 6 cover करने वाले हैं आज हम class 6 की geography NCERT का. Then 2 more chapters will be left and your NCERT geography क्लास 6 will be complete. So NCERT कक्षा में आप लोगों का स्वागत है. Very welcome, very warm welcome to NCERT कक्षा. If you are liking these initiatives, if you are liking the class lectures, notes, etc., do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Your one subscription, your one share of this video with the other aspirants we will consider it as a token of appreciation, token of gratitude, and it will motivate and encourage us to further make videos for all of you. So let's start. शुरू करते हैं आज की क्लास. Major landforms of the earth, that is the topic that we are going to cover today. आज की क्लास में हम cover करेंगे topic major landforms, and also do remember that the class PDF will be uploaded on our Telegram channel, that is simplifying UPSC Vidhis. क्लास का जो आपको PDF है वो हमारे Telegram channel पर मिल जाएगा, simplifying UPSC Vidhis. You can download it from there. Okay, so let's start the class. शुरू करते हैं आज की क्लास. So when we talk about landforms, देखो इंडिया में, ये not just India and on this planet Earth, what are landforms? सबसे पहले समझते हैं landforms क्या होते हैं. देखो हमें पता है कि अर्थ का जो सरफेस एरिया होता है ना, सरफेस होता है, वो हर जगह सेम तो नहीं होता. The surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. Somewhere we have water, somewhere we have mountains, plateaus, then we have plains, etc. Right? Somewhere there is a rough surface or rough terrain. Somewhere there is flat top tableland, etc. कभी-कभी elevated flat land होता है. Some parts of the lithosphere may be rugged and some may be flat. The earth has an infinite variety of landforms and these landforms are result of two processes. दो कारणों की वजह से ये landforms बनते हैं अर्थ पर. Right? अब क्या क्या कारण होते हैं? First reason is the internal process, that is the shifting and moving of the internal plates in the earth. Earth के अंदर जो भी plates होते हैं, उनके movement और उनके shift की वजह से भी landforms बनते हैं, mountains बनते हैं. And the second reason is the external process, right? That is continuous wearing down and rebuilding of land surface, जिसको हम erosion भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है? जिस वजह से plains भी बनते हैं, plateaus भी बनते हैं. Okay, so surface is being lowered by the process of erosion and rebuilt by the process of deposition. तो आप देखोगे छोटे छोटे चट्टान, छोटे छोटे टापू बनते हैं, वो टापू डिपोजिशन की वजह से बनते हैं. आप देखोगे प्लेन्स बनते हैं, प्लेट्यूज बनते हैं, वो इरोजन की वजह से बनते हैं. And these two processes are carried out by running water, ice and wind. So broadly, we can group different landforms depending on elevation and slope as mountains, plateaus and plains. In today's class, we are going to understand what are mountains, plateaus and plains. देखो, now the question can be, इससे related question हो सकता है कि what are the major landforms? So major landforms are mountains, plateaus and plains. Okay. Then the next question can be, what is the difference? What is the difference between mountains, plateaus and plains? इनके बीच में difference क्या होता है, ये पूछा जा सकता है. देखो जब हम mountain की बात करते हैं ना, what is a mountain? It is any natural elevation on the earth surface. Over here you can see this is a mountain. कोई भी natural elevation जो होता है, you can write it down. Any natural elevation of the earth surface is mountain. So it is considerably higher than the surrounding area. आसपास का जो एरिया होता है उससे तो ये higher ही होता है, ठीक है. Now coming towards plateau. Over here, plateau is, write it down, it is the elevated flat land. ये जो होता है वो होता है elevated flat land. Okay, so it is a flat topped tableland which is standing above the surrounding area, that is plateau. ये basic, this is the basic difference. Okay, so when we talk about mountains, it is a natural elevation of earth surface and they may have a small summit and a broad base. For example, Mount Everest, Mount Kilimanjaro, etc. And it is considerably higher than the surrounding area. Some mountains are even higher than the clouds also. Okay, and in the mountains, as we go up on the mountains, जैसे जैसे हम mountains में ऊपर की तरफ चढ़ते जाते हैं, climate becomes colder and in some mountains there are permanently frozen rivers of ice also. Those are known as glaciers, and because of global warming these glaciers are melting. Global warming की वजह से क्या हो रहा है, glaciers melt हो रहे हैं ना. So there are some mountains you cannot see as they are under the sea. Because of harsh climate, less people live in the mountainous region. Okay, and that is why it is not very fit for agriculture also. Okay. So mountains may be arranged in a line known as range. For example, over here you can see mountains are arranged in a line ना, एक line में arranged है mountain, तो इसको हम बोलते हैं range. ठीक है, this is known as the range, that you have to remember. And many mountain system consist of series of parallel ranges. For example, we have the Himalayas, we have the Alps, the Andes, etc. ओके, माउंटेन्स की हाइट्स और शेप्स डिफरेंट होती है, आपको पता है. अब माउंटेन्स को ना 3 टाइप्स में क्लासिफाई किया जाता है. देयर आर बेसिकली 3 टाइप्स ऑफ माउंटेन्स. फर्स्ट इज द फोल्ड माउंटेन्स, देन वी हैव ब्लॉक माउंटेन्स, एंड देन वी हैव द वोल्केनिक माउंटेन्स. ओके, देखो ये जो माउंटेन्स होते हैं ना, फ्यू थिंग्स अबाउट माउंटेन्स यू शुड रिमेम्बर इज दैट माउंटेन्स आर आल्सो नोन एज द स्टोर हाउस ऑफ वाटर. इसको हम वाटर का स्टोर हाउस भी बोलते हैं. एंड वाटर फ्रॉम द माउंटेन्स इज आल्सो यूज्ड फॉर इरिगेशन एंड जनरेशन ऑफ हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Mountains have a rich variety of flora and fauna, and several sports like paragliding, hang gliding, river rafting, they can be done in mountains. Okay. So the Himalayan mountains in the Alps are young fold mountains with rugged relief and high conical peaks. The Aravalli range in India is one of the oldest fold mountain systems in the world. Aravalli range जो है, Aravalli mountains के जो group of mountains है, वो पूरे विश्व में सबसे oldest fold mountains है. ठीक है. And the Appalachians in the North America and Ural mountains in Russia have rounded features and low elevation. They are very old mountains. तो जो new आपके old mountains होते हैं, उनके जो peak होता है, वो थोड़ा सा कोनिकल नहीं होता. जो न्यू होते हैं, यंग फोल्ड माउंटेन्स होते हैं, उनके पीक बहुत कोनिकल होता है. ये आपको पॉइंट याद रखना है. So then we have the block mountains. Block mountains are created when large areas are broken and displaced vertically. This is the example of block mountains. Okay, the uplifted blocks like for example this one, right, they are termed as host. तो इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, इसको host बोलेंगे. Lowered blocks, for example this is known as graben. And the Rhine Valley and Vosges mountain in Europe, they are examples of block mountains. Remember this for your prelims examination. Okay, अब बात आती है volcanic mountains की. देखो volcanic mountains, the name itself is sufficient to understand. They are formed due to volcanic activity. For example, we have Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa, Mount Fujiyama in Japan. You have to remember the location. These are volcanic mountains. And mountains are storehouse of waters that we have studied. ठीक है, ये हमने पढ़ लिया है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now let's go to the plateaus. अब हम समझते हैं plateaus के बारे में. ठीक है, तो plateaus यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे. What are plateau? Plateau is an elevated flat land. I'll show you an image also. This is a plateau. इसको हम plateau बोलते हैं. ये एक elevated, आप देखोगे यहाँ पर, this is a plateau. Elevated है और flat land है. ठीक है, so this is a flat top table land standing above the surrounding area, and a plateau may have one or more sides with steep slopes also. Slopes can be steep also. यहाँ पर आप देखोगे slopes इसके steep हो सकते हैं plateau के. Okay, the height of plateaus varies, and plateaus like mountains may be young also and old also. For example, the Deccan Plateau in India is one of the oldest plateaus. East African Plateau in Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, and Western Plateau of Australia, they are also the examples of plateaus. Tibet Plateau जो है वो highest plateau है world का. This you have to remember. And they are very useful because they are rich in mineral deposits. Depositional activities की वजह से बनते हैं plateaus. African Plateau is famous for gold and diamond mining. इंडिया में भी आयरन, कोल और मैंगनीज जो है वो छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू में मिलता है. ठीक है, इन इंडिया द हुंड्रू फॉल्स इन छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू ऑन द रिवर सुबर्णरेखा and the Jog falls in Karnataka, they are examples of waterfalls which are found near the plateaus. Okay, so this is again very important. And plateaus जो होते हैं ना, जैसे for example the lava plateaus, volcanoes के आसपास जो होते हैं, they are rich in black soil that are fertile and good for cultivation as well. Okay, then we have the plains. अब देखो plains क्या होता है. I'll show you the image of a plain. This is a plain. इसको हम plain बोलते हैं. This area is a plain. So plains are large stretches of flat land. They are not elevated. They are flat. Okay, and most of the plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries. फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्लेन्स के एग्जाम्पल आपको देखने को मिलेंगे एशिया में. लार्जेस्ट प्लेन्स मेड बाय द रिवर्स आर फाउंड इन एशिया एंड नॉर्थ अमेरिका. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन एशिया दीज प्लेन्स आर फॉर्म्ड बाय गंगा एंड ब्रह्मपुत्रा इन इंडिया एंड यांगसे इन चाइना. एंड प्लेन्स जो होते हैं they are suitable for human habitation. You can build house over here, you can carry out your agricultural activities etc. Okay, so ये river valleys के आसपास रहते हैं. Now landforms and the people, when we talk about landforms, see, human habitation is not possible in mountainous regions. However, it is possible in regions around the plateaus and mostly possible in the plains area. Okay, so this was your sixth lecture for today, that is class 6th geography. हमने class 6th की NCERT geography की जो है उसमें से हमने chapter number 6 का आज cover किया है. We have covered chapter number 6 today. Okay, 2 more chapters are left, then we will be finishing the complete geography NCERT. So I hope you are enjoying the lesson. Class PDF will be uploaded on our Telegram channel, that is Simplifying UPSC with Ease. If you like this video, do not forget to share it with other aspirants and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.